The real estate landscape in California exudes an aura of inflated property prices and fierce competition. When we zero in on the Los Angeles real estate market, it's clear that affordability isn't its strong suit, but it's undeniably brimming with investment potential. While purchasing a home in the City of Angels may appear beyond reach for some, where there's determination, there's a pathway. Los Angeles stands as one of the most substantial and cutthroat markets nationwide, firmly capturing our attention. With that in mind, we're here to delve into pivotal real estate trends and furnish you with valuable insights for acquiring property in Los Angeles. 1. Don't hit the hottest neighborhoods. Attempting to haggle for a deal that aligns perfectly with your desires in sizzling real estate locales might prove to be a futile endeavor. With property values already soaring and fierce competition entrenched, it's prudent to explore neighborhoods with a more gradual pace, where the opportunity for a profitable investment remains viable. Per data from Zillow, the Los Angeles real estate market exhibits a median home value of $686,700, and the median sales price stands at $705,200. Nevertheless, it's crucial to recognize that these figures don't encompass the entire Los Angeles real estate terrain. Armed with our insights, we're here to guide you toward the discovery of more cost-effective neighborhoods. It's worth noting that the following locales are deemed the most budget-friendly options in Los Angeles, particularly in the context of the city's median property price, which stands at $1,018,101. Now, before we continue unraveling more invaluable insights, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll ensure that you stay well informed and gain access to a wealth of future videos, just like this one, dedicated to maximizing your real estate investments in Los Angeles. Subscribe now, and let's embark on this journey of financial prosperity together. Southeast Los Angeles. Median property value, $521,318. Cost per square foot, $372. Monthly traditional rental earnings, $2,177. Traditional capitalization rate, 1.7%. Central City. Median property value, $585,064. Cost per square foot, $297. Monthly traditional rental earnings, $2,662. Traditional capitalization rate, 1.7%. Wilmington. Median property value, $566,958. Cost per square foot, $353. Monthly traditional rental earnings, $2,608. Traditional capitalization rate, 1.9%. The latest insights indicate a moderation in the Los Angeles real estate market's property price growth. Data from Redfin informs us that the prevailing average selling price, currently at $725,000, reflects a mere 1.6% increase compared to the previous year. Given this context, the neighborhoods previously highlighted appear particularly reasonable within the expansive landscape of Los Angeles real estate. 2. Consider value-add multifamily investments. If soaring property prices pose no impediment, here's a suggestion. Momentarily set aside your single-family home investments and turn your gaze toward the multifamily real estate sector. The Los Angeles real estate landscape is currently abuzz with multifamily property investments due to a housing shortage. While downtown LA has witnessed a surge in new property developments over the past year, the same cannot be said for the rest of the city. In downtown, these fresh developments have led to a stabilization of rent increases, thanks to the augmented housing supply, and landlords are diligently working to fill their units. In contrast, multifamily property owners outside the downtown hub face no issues with vacancy. Their units practically sell themselves, and occupancy rates remain impressively high. It's evident that a new trend is emerging in the Los Angeles real estate market: the acquisition of Class B properties in prime locations, followed by strategic renovations. These investment properties have experienced the most significant rent hikes over the past year, with a noteworthy increase of 3.7%. An annual survey by CBRE in the commercial real estate realm, which encompassed interviews with 300 industry experts, underscored the fact that 37% of respondents favored value-added investments. Considering this as the prevailing strategy for investors in the Los Angeles real estate arena, it's an avenue certainly worth exploring. 3. Check out foreclosures in Los Angeles. Foreclosure occurs when a property owner consistently falters in meeting their mortgage obligations, prompting the lender to reclaim the property. Typically, these lenders, often banks, seek to price these foreclosures attractively to expedite a sale. Foreclosed properties can be unearthed by investors in various markets and across diverse price ranges. One of the most compelling advantages of investing in foreclosed properties is their tendency to trade below the prevailing market value. Real estate investors can thus secure lucrative investment opportunities at discounted rates. Banks are generally eager to divest themselves of foreclosures swiftly, underscoring the urgency in their pricing strategy. Even if price constraints aren't a concern, delving into foreclosure listings remains a worthwhile endeavor. It's not uncommon to chance upon listings that offer more substantial and superior properties than originally planned within your budget. This equates to securing a superior property at an advantageous price point. Furthermore, even if you encounter an investment property necessitating some renovations, the returns on those upgrades are bound to be substantial. It's crucial to acknowledge that purchasing foreclosures isn't a straightforward process. When buying a foreclosure at an auction, for instance, cash payment may be a prerequisite. In other instances, investors might not be granted the opportunity to inspect the property before committing, which can be a gamble if the property subsequently demands extensive refurbishment. So, why should you contemplate investing in foreclosures within the Los Angeles real estate market? According to Zillow, the Los Angeles housing market reports a mere 0.7% mortgage delinquency rate. A delinquent mortgage typically marks the initial step in the foreclosure process. Consequently, you'll encounter a spectrum of foreclosed properties, ranging from those in a state of disrepair to unexpected finds in more upscale neighborhoods. 4. Use the right tools to find profitable property in the Los Angeles real estate market. While Los Angeles may not be renowned for affordability, it's essential to remember that the path to locating the perfect investment property lies in deploying the appropriate resources. Harness the power of investment property calculators, which furnish you with essential return on investment metrics for properties across the United States. Armed with these indispensable tools, you can make astute real estate investments in any urban center, including the City of Angels. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey through the dynamic world of real estate in Los Angeles. We've delved into essential strategies, trends, and investment opportunities to help you maximize your profits in this vibrant market. If you're eager to explore another prime real estate destination, why not click on the video displayed on your screen and discover the world of real estate in New York? There's a wealth of knowledge waiting for you, so don't miss out. Happy investing!